If you're running late, stuck in traffic or stranded during rush hours and you're not finding a cab, suddenly this glimmer of hope pops up in the form of a message that comes by your app aggregator itself, and that message says, add a tip to increase your chances of booking a cab or getting a cab. Now, it's positioned as optional there, but one should very well know that this is possibly a trick. In fact, many of them believe that adding this message right before actually getting a cab is a subtle form of extortion. The app says the driver keeps 100% of that tip. When you're not getting a cab and you're told you might get a cab faster if you place a tip, do you even have a choice then? Union Minister for Consumer Affairs Prahlad Joshi has stepped in, calling this out. He says Uber's advanced tip feature is unethical, unfair, borders on exploitation. A tip, he reminds, is meant to be a token of appreciation after service, not a ticket to access it. He's taken this up with the consumer protection body as well. A notice has also been issued to Uber seeking answers. Of course, the irony here, the tip actually stands for to ensure promptness. But when tipping in advance becomes the only way to get a cab, it stops being appreciation. It starts feeling like ransom. Yeah.
Tipping a gesture which we as consumers do in a voluntary manner, in a way to show gratitude towards the person who has given us the service, which is done at the end of the service which has been provided. So you can't take a tip and then you kind of, push the customer against the wall, saying that, if you don't tip, then I can't guarantee you whether he'll come to you or not, or whether this service will be provided. This is purely an unfair trade practice.
It's basically exploiting your desperation.
If you like the service, you'll pay it afterwards, but why should I pay before? Many a times it happens that you say that, no, it doesn't matter, I will keep waiting. And they make you keep waiting. So it is like introduces the culture of bribing, that, okay, fine, if you pay, pay us, then we'll come faster to you. 2, it is playing on to the psyche of frustration. Why? Mainly because, the time comes that, where you have to fast, quickly, get out of the house or get out of your office, get out or go to any place. The time is also eating up that you can't take your own private vehicle because many times it happens the routes are unknown to you. Uber ride has become very competitive. So therefore what happens
now
is
with Blue Smart gone, it comes down to just 2 aggregators. They've monopolized the system. I mean,
monopolized the thing,
There's also Rapido, but predominantly Uber and Ola have taken over much of the market share. At a time like this, one does not even have a